Hello everyone. Very good morning. Thanks for joining.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good
morning.
Let me share my screen. Please do let me know once my screen is visible.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
visible.
visible.
I just wanted to
Yes.
say you that my student has cracked the interview with Hitachi, the product-based company, which is Hitachi. Hitachi. Do you know Hitachi?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. One of my student has cracked the interview yesterday itself. And one more thing is like I will share my screen just a minute. I will share my WhatsApp. So one of my student has cracked the interview for HCL as well. Mm, I will upload it in YouTube. I will make some blur over there. So I hope you can see the screen. Yeah. So as you can see it on, yeah. See, actually in the first he has got a call from Cognizant. He cracked that. Later on, what he's saying, he's saying that finally I have received offer from HCL with genuine experience. I mean, actually, to be honest, what he done is like he have an experience, but after completion of his graduation, he just kept around some experience, right? 2 years of experience, and he cracked the interview in Cognizant. Okay. Later on, again, he just kept the genuine experience and cracked the interview at HCL, and then he has just sent this type of messages. And yesterday was his last working day. 17.5 is a package which he received in India. Not expected. So, yeah. So as you can see, he's the last working day is yesterday. Final signing off to Hexaware. Mm-hmm. Okay. So with your help, it's without your help, I couldn't have achieved this. Yeah. So this type. And one more thing I just wanted to show you is like, yeah, Ahmed. He is also. So actually, he just got in a very good organization, and he has completed first 1 year. I wanted to take a moment to express you and my heartfelt gratitude to first anniversary in this job. First anniversary, 1 year. This happened. So why I was showing you this is like these are all guys are not from technical or something else. So they have learned a lot. They have survived in the organization from the past these years. Later on, they got a good opportunity and they are surviving on their own. Always try to remember we need to make some hard works. Without having the hard work, there is nothing more. I'm saying the only and major difference between the other things and us is like we will be preparing like a job oriented only, so that either you can crack the interview or else I do have some other steps to crack the interview. I will tell you that as well. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So let me share. So I hope you can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday I haven't got an opportunity. I mean, do you have this access of this particular document, ma? Tell me. No,
No,
right?
sir.
No.
No, sir.
No.
No.
Then no one said why. Only Pavitra said. Only Pavitra said that she doesn't have the access, so I have given the access to her.
Oh, we have shared the email IDs to the.
Yeah. Please share with the email address. Okay, I will
I've
share.
shared, sir, but I didn't receive.
We already shared.
We already
I've
shared.
also shared
Yeah,
on
Yeah,
for me
already I
WhatsApp.
also.
sent.
Okay, please try to share it again. Huh? Why? Because your message will go to the top so that I can see it. So you please try to share me. I have uploaded these videos as well, but for the meantime, you please check in YouTube itself. I will not upload other videos in from next week. I will be uploading it in this drive. So whatever the things which we taught, everything will be there. However, I have uploaded, but I haven't given the access. I'm sorry for that. I will be giving you the access. Okay. Chalo then. Let us try to what is yeah, this is the one which we have created, right? So let us try to log in with this in details. So someone else, can you please let me know how many types of interface we are having, user interfaces we are having? Tell me.
We have three,
Three.
three
What are the three?
UI
UI
15, UI
UI
16, next
16
gen. UI 15, UI 16, and
15 and
Next
16
gen
next
UI.
and
Perfect.
gen
Next,
UI.
no one is saying there is only one. You go 15, 16 and next gen UI. So, what have you faced the challenges? I mean, what is the major difference between which version has did the major difference?
From UI 16 to next gen
Next
UI
gen
has a
UI.
drastic change in the
Yeah. So, which version it is?
San
San
Diego.
Perfect. San Diego.
Yes.
If I
San
want to
Diego.
change, if I want to change the user interface, where I need to navigate to?
Property dot system.
This
Underscore
properties
property dot
This underscore properties dot list.
in the
And then
application.
Star Polaris.
perfect.
Then
Glide UI experience is
glide
the
UI
property name.
From we have to change from
Okay.
true to false.
Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. So other things are like, can you please let me know how to identify whether the opened record is a new record or existing record?
SysID is
System
minus
ID is minus
old
or
one.
Yeah,
old
minus
one.
If one
one for new,
hexadecimal, then it is a new
then
one.
hexadecimal, it
What
will
is
be
meant by SysID?
System ID.
It is the 32-bit hexadecimal number.
Yeah, it is a 32-bit hexadecimal number which will identify the uniqueness of a record. Each and every record has its own unique value. That is a SysID.
ID.
If you see here, there are 68 records. Out of 68 records, we do have multiple records. So all the records will have its own SysID.
ID.
Yes?
Yes.
So no.
Yes.
Yeah. Let us try to navigate to one of the things like just click on this. So this is known as an, if you click on this, you will be navigated to the
sir,
Home page.
home page.
what is this known as till here?
Logo.
Instance
Brand
login.
Instance logo.
Till all the things, this on the total top
Header.
Banner.
banner frame. This is
Banner
known
frame.
as
Profile.
User
profile.
Profile.
This is
User profile.
search bar.
Global search.
Global
and
search.
what
Global
it is?
search bar.
Toggle connect.
What it is? Here it is.
Chart or
Chart.
toggle connect
Toggle
Connected
sidebar.
slider.
Yeah.
Slide.
And
Message sidebar.
if I what is the vendor application and what is meant by module?
Vendor.
Application
Application is a dashboard, service catalog.
Module is the
Module is a collection of sorry, application menu is a collection of modules.
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 Perfect. And one more thing. So one more thing I just wanted to tell you, ma. Please try to make a note of it. If you click on this, what it is known as system settings.
System
Okay.
settings.
System setting.
System settings. When you click on this system settings, if you find there is an option of developer here, right? There is an
Okay.
option called what? Can you see the screen?
Developer.
Developer. Yes.
Yeah, there is an option called developer. That means whenever you have joined any of the organization, listen carefully. This thing you will be forgetting all the time. My students also forgot it. They again they will be pinging me once I will show you. See, so she is very good at her skills actually. She is very she is a genuine employee. Can you see I will share my screen. See. So see. Anna mana PDA ki admin access undo leda ela telustundi. Actually, she is very great in her skills actually. Okay. But she don't, I have said this, but she forgot it. She placed in one good organization actually. It is a very MNC company which starts with C. So, as soon as you logged in, no one will give you the admin access. Okay. No one will give you the admin access. First, they will give you the normal end user access. What they will be giving you?
End user access.
Access, forget about, don't go deeper into it. You just need to remind only this is like when you are clicking on the system settings, if you see the developer option over here, then you are the admin of your service now. Okay? You have an admin role and you can do whatever you can. Okay, ma? Got it, right?
Okay.
Tell me what is the difference between the other users and you when you are clicking on system settings?
Developer option.
Developer, then we have the admin
We have the
access.
admin.
Yes.
Access.
If we not, if we
Admin see the developer option or end user didn't see
yes,
developer option.
end user doesn't see that option. Here, this option is there, right? This option is not visible to the
End user.
End user.
only developer, the user who are having the admin access will have this option to see that. Okay. Now, Let's go to the incident and just try to click on all. This is known as what? On the top?
List
Search.
return.
List banner list. So
Banner.
what about this?
Filter.
Filter.
Funnel.
Filter.
Funnel.
Funnel.
So
Filter.
this here known as what?
Breadcrumb.
Breadcrumb. Good. So as you can see here, how many records are there here?
68.
68
68
records.
records are there. Okay, listen carefully, ma. It's very, very important. It is simple and very important. Just try to make a note of it. So, out of 68 records, we do have all these things. What? Number, caller, open, short description, all these things are known as what?
Fields.
Fields.
Columns.
Or we can, as soon as, on a form, we will be calling it as a field.
Field.
This is on field, this is on field, all these things. This is a list of incident records which we created. That's the reason we will call it as a columns.
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 Columns. This is one column, this is one column. All those things are columns. Now, if you see here, I just wanted to tell you the operators here. Operators in the sense what? Do you know what is meant by operators?
Yes.
Yeah. And or these are all known as an operators.
Operators.
Like contains. And also we will call it as starts with. Ends with
An operator.
end is there already.
Okay.
Yeah. So this, for now, you please try to remember this. The most probably you will use this only. Now, Seema, out of 68 records, I want to fetch only the records of Abraham Lincoln. How can I do it? Tell me.
In filter, we have to give
Caller.
caller equal to caller
Caller is-
contains.
Contents are equal to is also fine. Is in the
Content
sense
are
you need
equal
to
to.
give the exact name, or else if it is contents, I will tell you the reason. See, if it is an exact name, if you know the exact name, then you can use is.
Okay.
Okay, only one record he is having. Abraham Lincoln is having only one record.
You can select so much.
So let's take in the David Miller. I just know Miller. I forgot the name called David. So at the time, caller is
Sir, in that caller search box also we can type directly.
yeah. Before that, I will show you this one. Later on, we can go into it. If you are comfortable with this, later on you can directly come here and do like this. No need to do like this. First. Please try to do it like this. Later on, you will be very comfortable. I just wanted to tell you one small scenarios. That's the reason I was saying this. So just click on this. Run. So as you can see here, we do have these many records. 8 records we are having with the name of Miller,
David Miller.
which contains Miller. Contains in the sense what it is showing, star. Contains in the sense what? Contains represent the
Star.
Now, end in the sense like this. Where it is end. Or in the sense like this. Okay. Starts with, ends with, everything will be there. Starts with in the sense. So let's take for example here. In this name, I forgot the first name what I have been written, and then I just remember the last which I have been written is test. So something I have been written and last I have been noted as test. You're getting my point?
Okay.
And this is the end user.
Correct. Sorry?
No, this is end operator.
End operator, ma. So that's it. Ends with the. I just know the first names. I don't know first what I have been given. At the last, I know what it is. So percentile, I need to use something in the name of percentile and then test. So that's it. So I just know the first name is defect. And I forgot at the last all the things which I have been given. So what you will be giving? Defect and the percentile.
Percentage.
See. Okay. Are you comfortable with this? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, listen very carefully. we are having priority 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 actually. Okay. Don't go deeper into it. What is meant by priority and all, I will be explaining you in detail later. So we do have multiple priorities. If you try to group by priority, we do have multiple like priority
P1,
critical,
P2,
high,
P3.
moderate, low and planning. We do have all
Hmm.
these things, ma. So I want to get the priority of critical. Tell me how to get it. Tell me.
Priority.
Priority.
Priority is
Priority is
critical.
critical. Okay.
Critical.
And I want to get the priority of moderate as well. 2.
2, P2.
So which
Priority
condition I need
as
to use?
And
critical and
And okay, good.
or.
use
Priority is
Sorry,
priority
or.
wait. Priority is
P2.
2. Run it.
Moderate.
Have you got any things?
Or.
No, or condition.
we use the OR operator.
Yes. You need to use OR operator. Good. Now I want the state which is closed.
it is closed.
I need to use OR or what?
And closed.
And
And or
Field
OR.
is
Tell me.
different.
Someone is
And
saying
and.
OR and
and
And.
operator.
And
It is closed.
I will tell you the trick.
state is closed.
Perfect.
If field is
So
same,
always
use
try to
all
remember,
condition.
within the field, if you are having multiple options, within the field, if you are having multiple options, then or. If you are changing the field,
And
if you are changing the field, then you need to use
And.
and. Just
And.
end. Yeah, sorry for the inconvenience. Someone joined. Sorry, someone called me, which is of emergency. Just a minute. So yeah. So if it is now tell me, I want the we do have multiple categories. I will ask one person. Just tell me that. Okay. I think Madani or Mamata.
Hi, bro.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah.
So I just want to see. Actually, in the category, we do have multiple options. Okay. How many options we are having? We do have
Multiple options.
multiple options. In those options, we do have how many? Just read it.
Inquiry or help, software, hardware, network, and database.
No. So now what I need is like I just wanted to get the category of software and hardware as well as the state is in progress. Tell me how can I get it?
Okay. So
That is
first category is
Category is
software,
software
and
and
category is
uh,
hardware,
okay
and
and
category is inquiry or help.
that is fine. These two are fine.
Okay,
Category is
two are
software.
fine. And now coming to the next state, as it's another column, and we need to state. Okay, is and in progress. In see,
That's it. That's
as the
fine.
fields are changing here,
Uh,
we need to give or, right? As you said just now. Within the fields, we need to give and.
then why you given or here within the fields? These two fields are same, na? Software and hardware. It
Yeah.
belongs to only one field. Na? Why you have given the end condition here?
Okay. No,
So you should
within the
not give.
fields,
You need to give or here.
within the fields or, and if we change the fields and. Yeah.
And
And
within the fields
Or.
or this is really basic, ma. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Please try to remember this. If you know with this, then only you can. When the time of scripting, it will be easy.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. I can understand that you don't know it with other fields.
And.
And.
No. And one more thing, it's very simple another way. So yeah, now you can see. Yeah. one more thing. So this type of thing is known as what? This particular thing it is. What it is known as?
It is
Breadcrumb.
including empty also. If you want to remove that empty.
So which one, ma'am? Where it is?
Oh, it comes
Sorry,
into
assignment group.
Assignment group. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
That's right.
Wrong question.
Now, this is a breadcrumb. If I want to delete the breadcrumb as well, totally you need to click on this. If you want to delete from partially, you just need to click on the like this and like this. Okay? Yeah. Now you can also do like the way. So when you see the state is one off, you can select control and you can select all these things. Okay? You can also do like this. No problem at all. Okay?
Multiple.
But you just wanted to understand like or condition and end condition. Okay, I will give you some task with this. It is a simple task. No? Don't ever think that sir is giving very simple as well, and so don't think like that. So caller, you should not use is one of. Okay, now you should not use. In the real time we will use for sure, but at the time of learning, you just think that we do have is one of as well as is not as well. Just try to check that one as well. Okay, is not, is one of, is not one of, is empty, is not empty, less than, greater than, all these things these are all the operators. Okay, you can easily identify all these things. You will use, most probably we will be using contents only. Contents instead of using starts with, ends with and all, we will be using this contents. Okay, ba? So now come on. So that's fine. I just wanted to get the records of created this month. How will you do this? Get the records created this month and get the records which are priority, critical and moderate. And one more thing is like get the records which are of get the records which are of this type of in progress, and I wantedly writing or here, don't get confused. End here, in progress and new. Get the records which is having the color of David Miller, which is priority of critical and moderate. State is priority, critical or moderate. Comma. State is new and closed. It is new and closed. Okay, just try to get this one done. Okay,
Okay.
now just okay, this is fine. Now one more thing I just wanted to tell you. So if you click on this type of interface is known as what? I must said that As you see, if you see here,
Personalized.
Personalized list column.
this is known as a slush bucket actually. This type of opening window. This actually it is opening some special window, right, on the page.
Yes.
So this type is known as a slush bucket. What it is known as?
Slush bucket.
Slush bucket. Please try to remember slush bucket. I will paste it here as a thing so you can easily get it. Slush bucket. And you can select whatever the fields which you need and drag and drop and all those type of things you can do it. Okay. The use of using this is like out of these many fields over here, it will just reflect. We can't see all the columns in this particular view, right? So that's the reason we have been created some of the slush bucket. In the slush bucket, we are trying to add
Only the important columns.
all
what
the
we
important
need.
columns which are needed. Those things are added over here. Okay.
Yes.
One more thing I just wanted to tell you. Yeah. So basically, as a developer, you need to identify by seeing the URL, you can easily understand now whether it is a new record or existing record. That is perfectly fine now. Now, the other ask here is like, by seeing the URL only, you need to identify on which table you are in. Okay.
Sir, what is that called? Slush?
Huh?
What
Slush
is that called?
bucket.
What is
Slush?
that?
Slush bucket.
Slush bucket. Slush
Oh.
bucket. I will tell you. I will write it down. Slush bucket. No. Actually, I do have a document, which is already ready to upload. So that's the reason I haven't uploaded till now. I will upload. I just found this, but I will upload it. As you can see here, if I open here, so I have created an easy document. Yesterday also I have added some of the new things over here. So I will tell you about this one. Okay. Now,
Okay,
for now, you please try to check this. Just try to rewind the name. Remember the name as slush bucket. Well, this type of things we need to be careful to say to the clients now. That is slush bucket. Yeah, as I said, we need to find the table name by seeing the URL. So incident, if you click on this, I will tell you the shortcuts bar. Actually, yesterday we have been written sys_properties.list like. Actually, that is the properties is the list table name, but I have given the shortcut. So incident, if you want to open the incident, you just need to click on this and you just need to click on all, right? So instead of like clicking like this, you just need to click on incident and then dot list also, it will get the same one. I will tell you this one in the upcoming classes. No need to take much into your brains. So yeah, as you can see here, on which table you are in, by seeing this UI, you can say that incident.
It's incident.
Okay. So if I open this, now also here it is there, but that's fine. As you are the developer, you need to say by seeing the URL.
In URL, it's incident.do something.
Yes, here it is. With the help of this, you can identify. So actually, backend name of each and everything will be there in a small letters only, small case. So incident. So if you try to navigate to the problem, I will tell you incident, problem, change, what it is. So if you click on this, now you are in which table?
Problem.
By seeing
Problem.
the URL.
Problem.
Okay. I will not tell anything. Just tell me now in which page you are. I will stop sharing, pause the sharing. As because I'm saying incident, problem, change, you are saying that. That's fine. Now let's see.
Now also, yeah.
Now tell me you are in which table? No, not now. Yeah. Come on, resume. Yeah. Now tell me you are in which table?
Change request.
Change request you are seeing here and telling. So what is
the
the
link.
backend name of that
No.
particular table?
No. In the
Your
link.
percentage
in the
of
link
to
also
have
person
change
to have
request into
So
change
always try to remember change _
request.
Request.do.
Okay. You are in a new one or existing record?
Exiting
This
record.
is an
Existing.
existing one.
Existing record. Okay. Good.
Exactly.
One second. Mm. Ah, yes. Now tell me. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I will ask one person. Just tell me. Prakash, tell me.
Request FSC underscore request underscore item.
What I said actually, it should be in a small letters. Always the table name will be in which letters, ma? Caps or small?
Small
Small.
letter.
Small.
Small
Then why you
Small.
said here F is small or caps?
Caps.
Then the table
Request.
name will start
Oh,
from
Yeah.
tell SC underscore.
SC underscore request underscore item dot do.
No, forget about dots. Okay.
Okay.
SC underscore request underscore item. That's it.
Item.
That is the
Yes.
table name.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now you understood about how to check the table names as well as how to check the whether it is a new record or existing record. Actually, if you are a developer, you are always when you open any sites, you will from now onwards you will see the URLs. As a developers, you will check the URLs, how the URL. If he is a Java employee or some other it is, so they will check the URLs. By seeing the URL, they can identify whether that page is secured or not. Okay, now we are ServiceNow developers. We need no more concern about it. However, these things are taken care by the ServiceNow itself. Now, end condition is fine, or condition is fine, slush bucket is fine, and okay, can I tell you the no shortcuts? Let us try to tell. Okay, so one more thing I just wanted to tell you. So if you click on this, there is a developer option. So actually, if someone has seen the video, what is meant by an update set, ma? I have
Update
seen
set
you
which
in the video.
helps to
To
transfer
move the
one
instance from
instance to
one
another.
instance to
Perfect,
another
right?
instance.
Very good. Change configurations from
If you have done any changes on particular which is
instance.
already moved to some other instance, like
Yes.
almost
Perfect.
moved to production instance,
Correct.
then if you want to separately move that whatever the changes you have done, then you can use the update set.
Correct. So if I want to change the configurations from one instance to other instance, where it is, it's gone, where, here it is. So as I said that we will be having how many instances, ma? I mean, based on the organization, it will be there. So for now, just tell me how many instances we are having: development, testing, UAT,
UAT.
and production.
Production.
Actually, we are saying development, testing, UAT, and the production. That's fine. But how will you move the changes? So listen carefully. No one should make a changes in the production. If you make any changes in the production, first and foremost thing, you will not have access to the production, ma. The simple funda. No one will give you the access to production. So in the production, you are also a end user, and all the users are also the end users. No one will be the developers over there. So whenever a business analyst has got the requirement, where will you do that?
In development.
Development. Later on, we will
Test.
what we need to do here as a developer. What testing you will be doing?
Unit testing.
And
Test.
Peer to
Peer.
peer.
perfect. Peer reviews. Good, Ray. You see in the video. Thank you. So now later on, moving into
Testing.
Testing.
Testers will be there here, right? Once after that testers has been seen, that next what would be the use case?
They will sign off it.
They will give the
and
sign
they
off
will-
and move it to the UAT. And then production.
Correct.
Now, as we are saying, moving from one instance to other instance, other instance to other instance, the other instance to other instance. This moving is done with the help of update sets. What it is?
Update
set.
sets.
Update sets. There should be some tool, right, to move the update set. It is not a tool or something. It is just like an what I can say. It is just like an configuration changes from one instance to other instance. That is a concept of update set. Now, if you see here, if you click on developer, you please try to keep an eye here, okay, on the top banner. Just see there. Someone is getting reflected over there. Yeah. So now you can see here, this is known as an update set picker. This is known as an application picker. What it is known as?
Update set picker, application picker.
Update set picker and application picker.
Application picker.
Yeah, good. Now, all these things, breadcrumb, application picker, update set picker. Now let us try to start with the. Can I start, ma? This
Yeah, I have one doubt, Imran.
basic configurations. Yeah, tell me, ma.
Updates, I mean, once the developer done with the updates, he has to
Not update. Yeah. Configurations. Tell
okay,
us
what are the
configuration.
configurations are there? Once he
Yeah.
are done with the configurations,
Okay.
do he need to manually update it? I mean, the update, he's the one the creating the update sets.
We are the one who will create an update set.
Okay, once we are done with our configuration, we need to manually move the update set to the testing instance, right?
In some good question. In some organizations, there will be some deployment team. They will deploy, or else we, as a developers, we can deploy.
Okay, here as you said, two options, right?
Tell me again, please.
A minute. Here you said two options, right? Update picker and application picker. So
Yeah.
in the update picker, as a developer, once we are done with the configuration, here are we gonna change the status?
Yeah, we are the one who needs to change the status. Actually, we are having 3 to 4 days of topic, this update set. So basically, we will be creating the update sets here, and you can see the state here, right? State here.
Yeah,
What are these 3 states which are available over here? In progress,
complete.
complete,
Complete
and
and ignore.
ignore. So in progress, in the sense what? Let's take, for example, I was trying to create one update set. Okay. Each and every organization follow their own naming conventions over here. So for now, just give us like the way like a story number, STRY 786 underscore, and some any name like the configuration is for ITSM, and then V1.0. So, and they will be saving the update set. This is the update set, ma. Update. What is the table name here? Tell me, someone. The one who asked out. Can you please tell
Table
me?
name is sys underscore update set, updates underscore set.
It's just an sys underscore update underscore set. Okay. So now, if you see here, this is in progress. Whatever the configuration changes you are doing, like changing this caller name from caller to caller ID, from category to categories, and subcategory to subcategories, from channel, you are adding some more options over here. So whatever the things which you are trying to do, everything will get captured here.
Okay.
Later on, after completing this particular story, what will you do is like you will be completing it.
Okay.
Once you complete, you will get here you can get one message, see, export to XML. So if you click on save, there is an option called what?
Export to XML.
Just click on this. A file will get downloaded here. This
Okay.
is known as an XML. So these all things you will afraid, bro. If you are learning now itself, without learning all those steps, you will be confused. So just try to remember. This is the XML language. We are no more concerned about this XML language. Okay. So
Okay.
it has got downloaded. Now this time what the developer will do is like he will go to the testing instance. He will be navigating testing instance and upload the settings which you have been downloaded.
Okay.
I will tell you, ma, forget about all these things. Just try to remember this way. Okay.
Testing instance, I mean, the testing team has to import the file or
No. We will be importing the file and we will be
giving that
committing the settings.
Okay, okay.
Whatever the settings which we are there in the dev or downloaded one, that will be committed in the testing by the developer, and he will just move off from there. Now
Okay.
comes the tester's duty. He will test whether the functionality
Is
of
working
requirement given
fine.
in this particular story is working expected or not, and then they will take care of everything.
Okay,
Okay.
good. Got it. Thank you.
Yeah, ma. Chalo. Now I will ignore it for now. Just try to save it and try. I will try to delete. I don't want to mess you up. Okay. Yesterday there was an interview question, ma. So, okay, no need for today only. I will not say any interview questions. Forget about that. So now we will be going with the basic configurations, a little bit of basic configurations. Okay, not much. It's already 9:45, right? As I promised that I will take the session till 10:45. Can I take for more 15 minutes, ma? With your permission?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sure, sir.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Let us try to navigate to the basic configurations. So now, whenever you logged in with any of the instance, if it is an implementation project, there should be some basic things which we need to perform, Ray. So what are all the basic things? That means when you bought the mobile phone, what are the basic needs which we will be doing? You will be backing up the particular contacts. You
We
will
will add our email ID.
you add our email IDs. Those particular type of things you will be doing in your mobile, right? In the same way, for ServiceNow, if the client is from India, if the client is from Australia, if the client is from New Zealand, or else blah blah blah. So first we need to set the timings. We need to check this in the system settings. We are having in general. First, we need to go for all, and then we can go with the everything. So first, compact user interface. So basically, it is a zoom in and zoom out is happening, no?
Yes.
As you can see the icons over here, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, zoom in. Like this type of things are happening, right? So one more thing, there is an option called compact list date and time. So if you see on the list view, go to the incident. Yeah, where is the date? Here it is. This is the date and time format, right? So just click on this compact list date and time. So what it is showing, ma? It is showing just a 11/11. It is not showing the year.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
it
sir.
is showing this.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah. So one more thing. I will let me try to take the open to here so that as soon as you get, you can click on OK. It's not reflecting, huh? All right. We need to keep it assigned to. Now, if you see here, if you're clicking on both, please try to keep an eye here, okay? So basically, if it is a calendar, then it is showing you the calendar, right? When you are trying to hover on this particular date, then it is showing us about a month ago, it has opened about 4 months ago, about 9 years ago, 4 months ago, all these things, right? So that will comes under the calendar when you select the calendar option. So when you click on this, it is showing the
Time.
about a month ago timestamp. Like timestamp is getting changed 9 years ago, this 9 years. So basically, have you created all these incidents? Tell me.
No.
No, sir.
This particular data has come out of the box. Okay. What is meant by out of the box? The data which already existed.
Dummy data.
Dummy data. Yes, we will call it as dummy data or demo data. We will call it as what? Dummy data or demo data. The which already existed is known as a dummy data or demo data. Okay. So I want to see the both the things like year, I mean month, day, year, and the ago like this. So just
Both.
click on both.
Use
So
the
that
both.
this will get reflected like this. Okay, ma'am. You
Okay.
got it? The
Yes.
difference
Actually, what is suggested?
suggested
What
is
is
this both, because as soon as you create the record, it will just show that time, but it will not show when it got created. This is very useful when you are working with email notifications. We will be having some options like emails. When it got fired, everything we can see it, right? You're getting my point?
Yes.
Yeah. So you can most probably you need to click on date and time as both. Just a minute.
Imran, I think you are on mute.
Sorry, ma. Suggested is both. Always you need to suggest both only. It is the best practice. Okay, to select the both. Why? Because by viewing this particular record, you can easily identify when it got created as well as the date. Okay. Now, other is this is a major and major thing. Time zone. Basically, let's take our client is from India. Client is from India, like Wipro is there, TCS is there. So these are the clients from India. So by default, the time zone is what? They will ask in the interview. As soon as you, if you are an implementation project, as soon as you log in to your instance, what would be the default time zone? Tell me
EST.
what would be the
EST.
default time zone?
America.
America or
USA,
Los
America.
Angeles? Copy. Default, FAU, the default time zone. Okay, this would be the default time zone of it. Now, if I want to change it, let us try to check. So when you are clicking on this, do we have IST or India or Pacific, Asia? Do we have this here?
No.
No.
No. This is US specific. Okay. We don't have anything else, right? Now, where we need to navigate and get that time done. First, we need to navigate to basic configuration UI 16. Okay. And we are having an option called what? System time zone for all users unless overridden in the user's record. So this is a different scenario. So yes, just we are unable to find the IST over here. So that's the reason we are trying to click on configure available time zones.
Okay.
This type of interface is known as what, as I said in some time back.
Flash
Slash.
bucket.
Flash bucket.
Good, good. Now tell me what it is. IST, right? IST. If it is not IST, then we do have another thing. Just Asia. Here it is. I have seen, right?
Asia Pacific.
Gone. It gone somewhere. Asia.
Down. Pacific something like that. Down. Yes.
Where it is. Let us try to use this way. Kolkata. Yeah, here it is. we can also find like this, okay? If you are unable to find and you are unable to get it, so if you know the name, you can directly click on Control F, which will find the total page. KOL, see, here it is. And then let's try to transfer it and try to save it. Okay. Now let us try to change the time. Asia Kolkata. And then what we need to do? We need to save it. Okay, ma. Got it, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So that's it. So if you see here, you can also change it here now. It is
Asia.
when we need to reload, I guess. Sort of. Yeah, it is changed. The name of US specific or something.
But we have given other.
Here it is. Yeah. Here it is, Asia Kolkata, and then close it. That's it. Now I want to change the logo. So from where I can change it? Basic configuration UI 16. You should not select the UI. Have you seen the UI 15 view, ma? Have I showed you UI 15 view?
No.
No, no. Okay. Just click on this. Just click on this. Switch to UI 15. So now if you see here, just a minute, let me drink some water till it load. Yeah. So if you see, see how is the UI now? It is totally different, right?
Old version.
Old version, very old version. No one is using this, but we need to have some history, right? To show.
Why did you change this?
If you are clicking on this system settings, there is an option called switch to UI 15. So as you can see here, when you are clicking on this system settings, so yeah, now you can see this, right?
Yeah, Imran, regarding this, I had a question earlier. As when we have logged in,
Yeah.
next gen UA was popping up, right? There we have changed the value to false, and again we came to UI 16. So likewise, can we directly come from next gen UI to UI 15?
Why not?
Okay, how?
I mean, can you please tell me again?
I mean, first, what we were in next gen UI, right?
We are in next gen UI. Yes,
Earlier we were in next gen UI, and then after going to, we have changed the user interface from next gen UI to UI 16
correct,
by going to policy experience and all.
correct.
And from there again we are switching to UI 15. So
Yes, correct.
it's like we are just moving to a previous user interface. So
Hmm.
can we come from third to first? I mean next gen UI to directly UI 15
No,
instead of UI 16.
no. We need to come to US 16 and then only we can move.
Okay, so we need to first move to the previous user interface and
And
then
then
only
only
the
we need
new
to
one.
come with this. Yes. So
Oh,
actually, I mean, for anything, there should be some use case, right? What is the reasoning moving like that? It is just an user interface, na?
mm-hmm.
So we need not to, I mean, अपना उधर सोच नहीं जाना जरूरत नहीं है वो ऐसा है
Acha.
मतलब so actually basically however max to max we will use UI 16 only bro not more than UI 16 UI 15 no one is using now I'm damn sure
Okay. No,
okay
just want to know, I mean, how can we move
yeah.
like
We
that?
don't have option that is a valid doubt but we don't have action option we just need to move from next gen to UI 16 and UI 16 to UI 15 only directly from next gen to UI 15 no nothing we can't. Why?
Okay,
Because that option will be not be there.
okay.
Yeah. So now, if I want to change the logo, then where I need to navigate to? Basic.
Configuration UI 16.
Basic configuration UI 16. Then what about this? What is the basic configuration of this?
15.
This is 15 one. Good catch. So basic configuration UI 16. So if you want to change the particular thing to some Hitachi, Let us try to take the Hitachi. See, this is a product based. Tata Hitachi. Yeah. Tata different and Hitachi is different, no? I think it's inspired the next. So as you can see here, we can download this image. Control Shift. Yes, we can. No, bad. No. MS Paint. So actually in the organizations, we don't change this, okay? So we will be having those designers. Okay, we will be having the designers. They will take care of. We need not to take care of all these things. Okay, they will take care of all these things. There will be an HD image developers who will already existing. So we need not to take care of everything. Okay, so they will give you the image. You just need to upload it. That's it. For now, I was trying to do it manually. Okay, so downloads and I will hit Hitachi.
Logo.
Yeah, it should be in a PNG only. No, where it is, where it is. You need to drag it here. Just click on plus, touch image, open it. Yeah. So now what it is showing, ma? Inspired the next is the branding name, right? Inspired the next is the branding name. So just try to change the name. What it is?
Inspire the text.
Inspired the next. Good.
Save.
So just try to save the form. So as soon as you save the form, just a minute, some important call. Sorry for the inconvenience. Friends has came to my home. So yeah, as you can see here, what is our instance name? Inspired the
That
next. Just try to save it. That's it, right? Now, it's already 22. That's fine for today, right? Okay, is that fine? Or else do I
Yes,
have to tell you
fine.
more? Why? Because we do have multiple things to perform today. First, what you have found, you can work for operators and you need to change the
Time
instance
zone.
logo and you need to change the instance
Instant name.
time zone. Tomorrow, someone should share the screen and then you need to tell me all these things. I will upload this thing as soon as possible on the YouTube, okay? Later
okay,
on,
sir.
I will upload everything here. You don't worry, and I will also upload here as well instead of uploading there. But today, I will upload in YouTube itself. You please try to see it from there.
Okay.
Later, I will upload here as well. So
Sir,
everything-
yesterday's class also
yes,
did
I
you
uploaded
upload
it.
in?
I uploaded, but I haven't shared you with the email ID. Please share me the email ID. I will share it to you. Okay?
So where in the group, sir, you didn't create
No,
any.
I haven't created any group yet. I will create as soon as possible.
Yeah,
Can
I
you
also
share?
not getting any mail. I will share my mail ID
I
to you.
shared the email ID, sir, twice, sir.
Please try to share it to me again.
To
Yeah,
which
I will share
number,
it
sir?
again.
Only try to remember today's session will be uploaded in the YouTube only with the name of this part 2 or something. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
One
Would
Can
second.
you
you
please
upload this
share
video
the
drive as
document
well?
form?
Sorry?
Can
I'm
you please
asking
share
you.
the document?
Document is located in this only. Whenever you get the, see, 1 hour, I will tell you, see. So let's take this email ID, this JPS ServiceNow Training's email ID. Let's assume this is your email ID, okay? So whenever I was trying to give like, whenever I'm trying to share it with you, you will get an email.
Yes.
Okay.
So you will get an email stating, can anyone of you give me your email ID, please, for now?
Yes, sir,
Ray,
I'm giving.
Just
Rais.Salma, sir. RAYES.
REY,
RA.
Rise,
Dot Salma
okay.
at gmail.com.
Hmm. So just check whether you got an email or not.
Yes, sir.
हाँ मेरा मेल आईडी भी ऐड करना है उस पे एक
Yeah,
बार.
I will add it. No worries. Time has finished. Happy Christmas. Please try to enjoy, okay?
Yes, I've received, sir.
Okay. Please try to join on Monday. And
Yeah.
we are going deeper into all those type of things. We need
Tomorrow,
to
sir, we are
identify
having class or not?
everything. We are
We
just
don't
at
have.
general. We do have theme, accessibility, list, forms, notification. All those things we are having. We need to prepare this for sure. Okay? Chalo then. Thank you so much for your valuable time.
Oh,
Nice.
we have class or no?
Sir, tomorrow we are having class.
Tomorrow, is there any holiday?
No, you said
No.
actually join on
Monday.
Monday. That's why.
Oh, sorry, sorry. I thought it is Friday. And we don't have office today. I thought that it is Saturday. Sorry, sorry.
Okay, no.
Yeah? Okay,
Yeah.
then. Chalo, buddy.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, bro.
Hello.
Yeah, sir, tell me.
Yeah, could you spend 2 minutes of time on operators? Because I didn't get exactly how it's implemented.
Uh-huh. Okay, no problem. So as you can see here, so first and foremost thing, just try to identify the, see, still what we learned today, operators we learned, knowing the
Mm-hmm.
table name, and we can understand, we can understand the difference between new record and existing record. Yeah, tell me operators, na?
Only operators, yeah.
Yeah. So please try to remember these symbols as well. This is known as an end symbol. This is known as an OR,
Okay.
and this is a contains, and this is a starts with
Mm,
percentile and percentile.
okay.
Sorry. This would be the starts with. Where is the percentile? Yeah. This is the ends with operator. Okay.
Okay.
So now these are all the operators which we are having run. Okay.
Mhm.
So let me think. Paste it here. So do you want me to show you one instance?
Yeah, I mean, the and or what is the difference between
Okay.
and or
Okay.
how it?
Chalo.
Yeah.
Incident dot list. I just clicked on a shortcut.
Mm-hmm.
Just a minute. Yeah, Mahadev, tell me. Yeah. So, bro. Yeah, sorry for the inconvenience. So as you can see here, first when you click on this, so let me try to duplicate it. Just click on new. If you click on new, how many fields are there here? Whenever if you click on new, we are having multiple fields, right?
Yeah.
We are having state, impact, urgency, progress, SN2, all those things. Some of them are strings, some of them are reference. I mean, you don't know what is meant by this. Just you can see here category. We are having this is a choices, right? Category, and we are having multiple choices over there. Yes or
Yeah.
no?
Yeah.
Yes.
So in the same way, subcategory is also having multiple. So basically, category is different field, subcategory is different field, state is different fields, and all right. In the category, how many options we are having here?
We have 5 options.
Right.
5 options. What are the 5 options?
Inquiry or help, software, hardware, network, and database.
Yeah. Now subcategory,
2
Two
options, email
Two.
and operating system.
state,
5 options.
6 options. 1, 2,
Oh.
3, 4,
Oh,
5,
yeah,
6.
6 options. Yeah,
6
sorry.
options are there. So actually, you want to get the out of all these records, I want to get the records which are of state, which are of in progress as well as on hold. So basically, in progress and on hold are located where? In one field
Field.
itself.
Yeah, same field.
Same field. So that's the reason you will take it as state is state. State is in progress or state is new. As because as because if you see here in the state itself we are having 2 to 3 fields, huh?
Yeah, got it. Same incident can't be in a same field multiple options, so that would be got it. Exactly. Yeah.
Now I want a new and category which are inquiry or help. So this time what will you take as because this is other field, na? It is not under state.
Yeah.
This is other field. So end. And then category is something it is, whatever it is. Have you got my point, right?
Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Yeah. If you want, I will tell it again.
Oh, I got it exactly. Thanks.
Yeah. Okay, done. Thank you so much. Huh? Chalo then. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Bye bye.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank
bye.
you. Bye bye.